folks, so Quick Trends wants you to discover a world of creativity and style with their customizable sneakers for children. Joining me now to show me how it's done, director Shanneil McKay-Daley is here. Is McKay or Mackay?
McKay.
McKay, I got it right the first time. Good morning.
Good morning.
How you do?
I am doing fabulous.
I love your spectacles.
Oh, thank
Very
you.
Nice. And the logo matches the specs, matches the personality, matches the vibe of the business.
Definitely.
Which
definitely.
just launched on Saturday.
Yes.
So congratulations.
Well, thank you.
Tell me a little bit about your baby, because this is conceptualized out of a real reason. What happened?
Yes. Well, it was during the year of COVID, in year 2021, when I was there clearing out my son's closet, and I saw a really nice outfit that he could wear, and I saw really cute shoes that could fit him. But to my surprise, the shoes couldn't fit anymore, and the shoes that could fit did just not match the outfit. So I decided it would be nice for me to be able to take off this collar and put it on these shoes. And then the thought just came out, but I could create my own shoe brand. So I went on Google, type in.
Seriously?
Went on Google, type in how to start my own shoe brand, and I was able to make connection with a consultant by the name of Susanna Davda. She has a course that says how to start your own shoe brand. So I reached out to her and I did her course, and it pretty much provided me with the blueprint to where I'm at presently.
Are you serious?
Seriously.
Just like that?
Just like that.
That was it, when?
2021.
And here you are 2 years later with a line?
2 years later.
Tell me about the work that went into getting it up and running.
Oh, as I stated, it was 2 years.
Holy power.
COVID caused the production to be, lengthier than I expected, but I was able to make consultation with my designer in the UK. It has a source agent in China, so I was able to make connection with the manufacturers, test the materials, have them sent to me here in Jamaica to be able to do the samplings and, to find out the quality and the style and the strength of it, because I want it to be very high quality. And from then I've been communicating for the past 2 years with the designers, sourcing the materials in different areas of China, and pretty much coming to my baby.
Incredible. This is fantastic.
Well, thank you.
So show me how it works now, because to the naked eye, folks watching, it's just a regular pair of sneakers sitting on a display.
Exactly.
But there's magic.
Yes, magic. You're able to remove the facing, and based on the outfit that you're wearing, you're able to go ahead and place it on just like this, smoothly. Look like as if it's brand new.
That don't make no sense at all. No, man, honestly, that's too easy.
Very easy, very easy.
No, I feel like I wasted time just even pulling these on this morning. It was too much labor.
Maybe to get match your outfit.
Yeah, so no stringing through.
No stringing through. Easily take off.
You really still learn how to tie your lace, but you don't really...
You don't need to tie your lace at all. It's easily put on, depending on your outfit that you're wearing. Easily pull up and out you are.
Show me the other colors that you have in the white.
In the white.
So if you're wearing purple or
wearing
colors that match with purple, you can
exactly.
do that. This one is really cool, Shan.
Yes.
Love this.
See what you see?
Ew, festive. I can actually see those in the black, green, and gold. You don't have them?
Yes, I'm going to be having in the season.
August, man, they're coming out. You need to get them fast.
Fast. I'll be having them shortly.
Okay.
Yeah.
And red, green, and gold as well, because you can't lose with that. And then, of course, you have the orange.
You have the black.
You have the black ones over here.
Yes.
What do you see that look like to me?
That's a problem.
Yeah, I will help you.
No problem.
No problem.
You'll be able to easily, based on the touch point, the space it here.
Too easy. And the quality of the sneakers, it's canvas, right?
Yes, it's canvas.
So you can wipe it down,
easily
you can
clean,
wash it.
Easy in a bit. And the thing is with the facings, once it's a case where they look, probably based on the wear, easily iron it out and come out flat just the same.
You can even put the black one on the white one.
Oh yes, you can.
Like I see. What's more going yourself? So you're really like buying.
It's being able to have parents purchase one pair of shoes and kids have multiple ways
10
to wear
different looks.
That is correct.
You're a smart one there, Shan.
There you go.
So tell me, put it up on so we can see. Tell me how you're, and that's so cool. That can match my outfit. I take off my shoes and put on. So tell me how things have gone since you launched.
It has been incredible. The feedback I've received is amazing. Kids telling me how much it's different, it's cool, it's fashionable. They're excited to be able to try a different outfit now because they don't have to worry about what shoes to wear with it. And it's very comfortable because I have a very soft cushion in the insole.
Very important.
So kids are able to be comfortable and it's flexible. That's what I was trying to aim for.
Okay, what about price point?
So we start as low as $89.99. And for the shoes and for the facing, we start as low as $19.99.
Okay. Okay, and the shoes can last you a good while.
Definitely.
Very strong.
Definitely, we had to go through a great test. That's the durability and the strength of it.
So when I order online, what's the process? I come on.
So once you go on our website, you'll be able to place the order and it's shipped within the States.
Oh. Yes. Ship within the States?
That's correct.
What about your local market?
You'll be able I'm presently trying to working out having to have a store here in Jamaica, but presently now it's only online.
But even the shipping to Jamaica or shipping within Jamaica, I mean, you don't really need a storefront here, because storefront is overheads that you don't need. But there you have local people now whose head you're going to hot up now, Shan, because you come tell them about the product and then you're going to tell them so them can't get it.
No, but they can, you know, because just so you know, we go on Amazon, you'll be able to get an order and place. You'll be able to kind of and have it in shipping. Well, working on that presently. Working on that present. But it's the same process. Be able to place the order, have it shipped in the States, and be able to kind of send it through the couriers, international couriers, or you can have someone take it on for you.
And tell somebody who's always coming. People are always coming.
Exactly.
So you mentioned the website. What is the website?
So it's www.quicktrends.com.
Okay.
So it's QUIKTRENZ.
Okay, and you're starting with kids' shoes. Yes. But I'm going to suspect that you're not a kids and you have one.
No, the size ranges from 1 to 9.
I was like, come on, Shan. Okay, so adults who have feet up to size 9, then you can, and let me tell you something, Jamaica's the right market for this, because as fashionable as we are, you know, I can see these being snatched up because of the variety of the laces and the incorporation of all the colors. This is hot. As ladies, you know how we feel about, no man.
It's really sturdy.
The quality is really nice.
Yes.
And the sole is not a joke. So, can you imagine you have one like a, I mean, I'm not a fashionista by any means. Lucian can tell me if this would work. But can you imagine you have on like a white shirt and a nice pair of black jeans I know you put on you? Eh? Don't Lucian? Lucian? Sharon, don't it?
Definitely.
You can pick up some styling tips from him as well. Definitely. Don't know where to put this so it don't drop. Very cute. This is so cute.
Thank you.
I think you're really onto something here, lady.
Thank you.
So you're starting here, but are you going to offer other types of trends as you grow?
As I grow, definitely I'm going into the bags and the clothing as well. So all our apparels I'll be going into.
QUIKTRENZ.
Yes.
Is where you order anywhere in the States, and if you're at home, then you beg somebody to buy some things. Anything else to add before we go, Miss Lady?
Yes, keep in tune with our website. We have on our Instagram page, we have very quirky styles are coming, new colorways, new stole design. So keep in tune.
All right, girl. Great idea. I'm so proud of all these folks who have seized the opportunities in COVID, because COVID was a rough time and you've used it to make something really exciting happen. So congratulations again to you.
Thank you.
Quick Trends, check them out. You in social media too?
Yes, I am. So
same QUIKTRENZ. quick_trends. Go find them there. Director of Quick Trends, Shanneil McKay-Daley. After the break, we're looking at the Enhanced Games, a track and field event with no drug testing. How does that work? Find out after this. Thank you again.